Oh, did you fall?
I don't want to talk about it. I didn't fall
Shut
per
up.
se. I just jumped a little bit too early.
Welcome to your first day on the job.
But it doesn't matter. It
This
doesn't
is your
matter.
very own autopilot ship, where you believe.
Oh my god, 92 in here.
Oh my god. No, no, no. There's just so much in here. There's so much in here. Go, take everything.
Oh my god.
Go, go, go. Go, Pug. Go back. Go back, Pug.
Bro, I literally haven't let you enter.
Go back.
Okay, I'm just gonna take this road before that's it. That's what I'm thinking. I'm like more in the bottle, so it'll be too heavy.
I don't think that was enough.
I think it was. We have 5 items. Go.
Ding 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 ding.
Ding, ding.
No! Dude, the mud is fucking here.
It's fine. We can just leave it up.
I'm leaving.
Yeah. Don't forget to pick it up.
I don't think this is enough.
I think it is. Hopium, but like, I think it is.
It's like
Dude, I actually
below
got
200.
If it is, then I would have definitely, because I had to road time with 60 something.
247!
What?
Oh my lord.
How much is it? What?
247. We need 246.
Oh my god. Okay. Tell me when to hit the fucking lever.
Yep.
Pick up.
Hello.
Tell me when.
Yes, sir.
We will.
Now.
No.
Oh my god, dude, it didn't even let me. That
Yeah.
time. I had to repress it.
You could just
Like,
hold E on it.
Did.
Yeah, I tried and then the circle didn't come up, so I pressed it again and then it worked.
Yeah, but like, even if it doesn't come up, then you can just hold it. And time, baby. That was fast as fuck.
Yeah, that